Hi, I'm Peter from Mechanics Mate, and we're here at SEMA 2019. Last year we did the video at SEMA, went viral, nearly 600,000 views to date. Really well, very happy with how it went. Generated a lot of leads and a lot of sales. So with all the feedback that we get from coming here when all the people that come through, it gives us an opportunity to find out what the industry's doing and also find out where the needs are. This year in our stand now, pretty much we've put everything into a kit. The reason why we've done that is because we've had a lot of people inquire they want to be distributors for our product. And how we had it before, you had to have too much technical knowledge about the product and the application in order to be able to provide the right sort of advice. And we made it a lot easier for people to try and sell the product for us on our behalf. And so in doing that, we've needed to put them in the kits so that people are getting what it is that they need. Okay, the first kit's our power steering pulley removal and installation kit. So what we have in there, we have coupling attachments that we need to go onto our cylinders to be able to remove the pulley. On top of that, we have installation shafts, we have piston ends to suit the removal and the installation of it. And that completes the kit. You can pretty much do it on any power steering pump because they've all got the little V-groove in them, and we cater for the two different sizes that are available. The harmonic balancer kit we have today is a couple of 3-jaw pullers and also a universal slotted puller for your old style bolt type balancers. And with the 3-jaw pullers, they suit the range of pretty much most of the type of balancers you're going to find. Quick and easy. We use an O-ring so they quickly clip on and very easy to remove. Okay, with the sleeve kit, it's a series of ends and also sleeves that we use, and it's a general purpose type kit for doing bearings and bushings. The sleeves are deep enough to get most of your bushings out, and they're more than enough for you doing your bearings. And that goes onto our hollow cylinder, either our 10-ton or our 12-ton, and it just makes the whole life a lot easier, a lot faster, simpler to do the job on removing your bearings and bushes. Okay, the LS-X kit is specific for the LS-X series of engines and the vehicles that it comes in. So in there we've got pitman arm attachments, we've got our power steering, we've got our harmonic balancers, we've also got a drive shaft attachment in there, and obviously our sprocket removal attachment. The reason why we've done that is because there's such a popular engine. There's so much going on. They're getting a lot of mileage under the clock on them now, so people are doing a lot of work on them. They're doing a lot of swaps because they're such a compact and powerful engine. So it's like the must-have in the kit. We do other accessories for other engines as well. Not only that, but again, this is probably one of our biggest selling items. The key to our whole system is this is an investment and you're buying time. With a balancer, he's normally taking about 10 minutes to get it off and about 5 minutes to get it on, which is pretty quick. We got it done in 36 seconds, on and off. The last kit we have here is our hub attachment kit and also our hub removal kit. Now the hub attachment pieces, they go onto the hub and you use them to push out your CV shafts, your axles, whatever you want to call them. The smaller attachments in there, we can use the 5 and 12-ton cylinder on there, as well as our little 10. And the larger ones, they take a 12-ton attachment, so we can use the 5, 12 and 25-ton cylinders on there. So if you need that little bit of extra go in there, you've got 25 ton to get these apart. In addition into that kit, what we've done is our hub removal, and they are bars that we bolt on to the caliper mounts and also the steering knuckle mount, and we centralise that, and we can now either push against it to get the hub out, or we attach our cylinder onto that to push the hub out from the back. This is one of our new little tools. It's a 5-ton portable press, basically, 5-ton cylinder. And what it does is, because we can orientate in different angles, we're able to get in all over the place and get access to those bolts very easily. So that's actually an insert in this tool. The reason we made it an insert is because this is now going to be a universal tool. We will develop other inserts for other applications. People are now talking about using this to do wheel studs in and out, and people are also suspecting that they may be able to use it for ball joints, which we haven't tested yet, but it's on the plan. So it's a nice little compact press that you can take to the vehicle. So what we've done is we've got attachment kits and we've got hydraulic kits. One of the reasons we did that is just for simplicity, because otherwise we end up with too many SKUs. All right, so we've got two basic kits as far as our hydraulics are concerned. One, we've got the hand operated one, and then we've got the air over hydraulic. In the hand we have our 10 and 5-ton cylinder. We always start with our little 10-ton cylinder, that's our base. because of the hollow cylinder, so we can use it for removing and installing. The 5-ton cylinder we add to it because it's got 3 inches of stroke, or 75mm. So what it does is it gives us so much more versatility in doing jobs in a single operation. Then in our air over hydraulic, we start at the 510 and the air over hydraulic pump. Then on top of that, then we add the 12-ton cylinder. The 12-ton cylinder now we use one with a 75mm or 3-inch stroke cylinder. The reason we do that, a lot of our customers now are wanting to do bushings and bearings, and they want to be able to do it in one shot, and that's where that cylinder eats it over our little 10-ton cylinder, which has only got 3/4 inch stroke or 20mm. So it's a really nice kit if you want to do bushings and bearings, all under vehicle stuff. Now, in addition to that, we've added the 25-ton cylinder. We didn't have that last year, and the reason we've had to add it is because we found, especially doing pitman arms, that we needed the extra power. The 12-ton just didn't get there on a couple of instances. So people don't invest in this stuff to fail, they invest in it to get the job done. So if you can't get a pitman arm off a small truck with our 25-ton cylinder, you've got to deem it unserviceable. Always new stuff coming in. We rely on industry telling us what they need. So if anybody watching they've got something that they think that we could do, we're happy to have a look at it and solve the problem, because inevitably if you've got the problem, somebody else has, and somebody else has.